Best Resistance Bands 2026. I've spent the last month turning my living room into a total mess, testing out the most popular options to find the best resistance bands on the market. Honestly, I'm tired of seeing people waste cash on bands that snap after a week. I bought these 5 sets, put them through a beating, and figured out which ones actually hold up. Product number 1. The All-Rounder Pull-Up Set. When I first pulled these out of the box, I noticed the texture right away. They don't have that gross, oily film a lot of cheap latex bands have. These are the long loop-style bands, and the tension feels very consistent throughout the entire stretch. I used the thickest one for pull-up assistance, and it didn't give me that jerky feeling when I was coming back down. If you're into calisthenics or need something for deep stretching after a heavy leg day, these are solid. I also tossed them around my power rack for some resisted bench presses, and they didn't show any signs of fraying or wear. They're a great middle-of-the-road choice for someone who wants to get stronger without a gym membership. They're simple, they work, and they don't feel like they're going to snap and smack you in the face. Product number 2. The Therapy Choles. Holding these side by side with the first set, they feel a bit more flexible, which I actually preferred for high-rep mobility work. I used the lighter bands in this set for my rotator cuff warm-ups, and the resistance curve is really smooth. They didn't pinch my skin when I wrapped them around my hands, which is a huge plus if you're doing physical therapy moves. While they're marketed for pull-up help, I found they shine more for body stretching and getting your blood flowing before a workout. The color coding is easy to follow, so I wasn't constantly guessing which weight I was grabbing. If you're recovering from an injury or just want to stay limpy and flexible, this set is the way to go. It's a very beginner-friendly kit that focuses more on control than just raw, heavy tension. Product number 3. The Durability Set. I put these through the same ringer as the others, and the first thing I noticed was the snapback. Some bands start to feel mushy after you stretch them out 100 times, but these stayed snappy. I use these specifically for heavy rows and some overhead presses. The material feels slightly thicker than the average band, which gave me a bit more confidence when I was really leaning into them. I didn't see any of those tiny white stress marks that usually show up before a band fails. They're perfect for someone who is a bit more advanced and needs that extra bit of resistance for muscle training. Since they're long loops, I could easily anchor them to a door or a pole. If you want something that feels like it's going to last through a year of daily abuse, grab these. Product number 4. Leaky Resistance Bands. The standout feature here is definitely the door anchor. When I set this up in my bedroom, it felt secure. I wasn't worried about the door popping open or the anchor slipping. The bands themselves have a nice matte finish that makes them easy to grip, even when my hands were getting sweaty. I used the anchor for face pulls and lat pull downs, and it turned my door frame into a functional cable machine. It's a very complete feeling kit. If you're working out in a small apartment or traveling for work, the inclusion of the anchor makes this the most versatile option for home workouts. You aren't just limited to loops, you can actually do some proper gym-style movements. It's the best pick for the home office warrior who needs a full body burn between Zoom calls. Product number 5. HPYGN 300 pounds heavy set. These are a completely different beast. Instead of just loops, these come with actual handles, which feels way more like using real weights. When I hooked all the bands onto the handles, the 300-pound claim felt legit. It's a massive amount of tension. I did some heavy bicep curls and chest presses, and the handles didn't dig into my palms at all. The carabiners are chunky and felt safe, not like those tiny clips that feel like they'll bend. This is for the person who wants to build serious muscle and misses the feeling of a cable crossover machine. It's basically a gym in a bag. If you're over the loop-style bands and want to move some serious weight at home, this is 100% the set you need to get your hands on. That's the breakdown. After all that sweat, it really comes down to whether you want handles or loops. If you want to see the current prices or grab a set for yourself, I've put the links for all 5 down in the description. Happy lifting!